moved out of my hand.
It did.
Yeah, that one moved out of my hand. Look at, watch it, watch it.
It took it out your hand. Oh, Ashley caught it. Ashley threw it and it caught it. Man, if they poop on your head, they're pretty. They just, I don't want to get bit by one.
You won't. It's just like being pet.
Oh, I don't want to get pet.
You don't remember the chicken?
Oh man, they really close, man. Can I get a bite before you feed it to the bird? Pass me that. Oh man, Ashley, you got it full of sand. Now it's a real sandwich.
This is where I just want to bring out a bunch of dried bread.